Science.
You can modify the circuit itself, you can program, everything is customizable. I don't know, it's brilliant.
It's a satellite in the shape of a can, and we get to build, we get to put things like wind speed and temperature and calculate how fast it's traveling, and we're going to launch it up in a rocket.
I can show you a CanSat on a table hooked up to a computer and say this is the humidity in this room, and I can also show you data that we've gotten after it's come down and we're reading it off of that and say this is where it used to be. But to be able to show someone a computer screen that has a live reading of what's happening around this satellite in space at that very moment is really powerful.
So everything we want to do wants to be in a project-based learning environment and in context. So with CanSat and launching rockets, what's more exciting than that, you know? There's a lot of applications with CanSats. Some of the students had already talked about environmental impacts, you know, going around the agricultural, maybe looking at vineyards and testing with humidity sensors, looking for smog in the atmosphere. All these applications, I don't think I need to come up with. I think that it'll just naturally evolve in a dynamic process with the students, and I think they'll come up with the ideas.
And you could send it around the world, and like their technology is cheap now, imagine then, and then imagine just like everyone constantly streaming the data from all over the world at once. Mm-hmm. So we can monitor levels, we can see global activity, we can see how human
there are a lot of things in space that we have networks of we have connected systems, and it would be awesome if there was a way to get, again, this is more long run, but if there was a way to get every CanSat that was being launched to work together, and you could view everything that everyone was doing.
It has like a GPS and a thermometer and stuff on it, so if it does work and it does go up into the sky, it can tell where it is and stuff and what temperature it was, for how far up it went.
The process that scientists go through and learning what it takes to engineer and put together something and think about things for more than just, oh, I'm going to do this assignment because my teacher told me to. I think they're really going to get excited about it, and I think they're going to have a great time with the hands-on. I think they're going to tell other kids about it, and they're going to be wanting to share their experience, and it's going to be something they're going to remember forever.
Overall, I think taxpayers are pumping more and more money into education, and they're not seeing the results. I think we're falling behind with a lot of other countries in math and reading scores and science as well. So I think STEM is a movement to compete, again, with the rest of the world, with the latest technology, and kind of get away from this sage on the stage, I teach you, to let's learn together and let's discover together.
Science.